welcome back to the another episode of Barber Master. Guys, in this video, you will find top 15 most satisfying haircut transformation for black guys. If you are looking for some hottest haircut, I think this video gonna work for you. Don't skip, just watch this video till end. Wow. That was the cleanest ever made. Damn. You got this, man. You got this. You got this. I think this is gonna be the combo. Yeah, is it? Yeah. Yo, bro, you got a perfect hard part with combo work. My bro got fresh haircut. I looking fresh. This is gonna be a most beautiful buzz haircut. Yeah, that was sharp. This is gonna be a most satisfying transformation, by the way. He looks so sharp. This is gonna be a huge chops transformation. That bro getting new life. Wow. Looks so fresh. Looks so smart. God damn, he just paid $180 for this haircut. If you're Lauren Malin, I think you have to book yours. Alright, man. also this barber in my description box if you really wanna go to the barber shop. Yes. So here we go. We have next haircut with a low tapper fade, and this is gonna be a step by step transformation. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I think you have to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. Wow, that was cleanest low tapper fade haircut transformation. I think we have repeated the circuit. Bam! Guys, that was the last record. I hope you had enjoyed all of these records. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification for the update for everything upload.